Series 3 restoration V12, and this is how we got the car. Each one of these pictures obviously tells a story. When you look at the pictures, here we have the floor pans all pushed up, space frame at the front dinted, so we cut it all away. Started to replace all the panels, rotten wheel arches. An engine that had been partly stripped, left and seized for many years. Here it is out the car. A roof with a nice bend in the roof, a door pillar was slightly bent, and the headlining couldn't be removed because it was nipped. So we set to, repaired the shell, repaired the engine, the carburetors, modified slightly to fit a 5-speed Getrag gearbox. The end result was Series 3 V12. We changed the colour. It was originally Azure blue and now it is Tornado red. Every last nut and bolt on this car has been changed. Everything has been stripped right back, clean, painted or polished, re-chromed and then fitted back again. The original interior was of course blue as well, so we went ahead and changed that, and we changed it to cream leather. All the seats completely stripped right back to the basic bones, and then recovered, restuffed, new diaphragms, new everything really. The boot, well, exactly the same, all the boards stripped, re-leathered, new rubbers. The H section and centre console. The centre console had to be modified to take the Getrag box, and that's exactly what we did. 5-speed gearbox in there now, and we modified the centre console to suit. Radio blank, all the dash reworked, brand new carpets, and of course brand new headlining as well, all made in-house. I'll show you the engine bay. We said every last nut and bolt, and we meant every last nut and bolt. The V12 was kind of stripped right back to its entirety, right back to the bare bones. All new parts, and then completely rebuilt. Recored radiator with a bigger core in there to help with the cooling. All new suspension parts. Absolutely everything on this car has been done. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Inside the boot area, cream leather, all reworked. Looks amazing. The finished article, our Jaguar E type Series 3 V12, ready for the road, MOT'd, ready for the summer.